Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drip campaign in Brevo. A drip campaign is an automated sequence of emails that go out to your subscribers over time, helping you build relationships and keep your audience engaged without sending every email manually. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months by using the link below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which will walk you through everything that you need to know to help you master the platform, and we'll do it step by step. Now let's get started. To begin, sign into your Brevo account and then head to the main menu right there on the left. From there, click Automations. This will expand into a menu containing options such as workflows, sequences, messages, logs, and email templates. From the expanded list, click Workflows, which is where all of your automated workflows are managed, including welcome sequences, drip campaigns, and follow-ups. Now, once you're inside the workflows page, look at the top right corner and click plus create an automation, which will start the process of building your new drip campaign. After clicking, a setup window will appear showing both pre-built automation templates and the option to create one from scratch. Now, if you're new to Brevo, it's best to start with an existing template instead of building one from the ground up, as it will most likely save you time and provide a ready-made structure. Scroll through the templates until you find the one called Welcome Message. This template works perfectly for a simple drip campaign because it automatically sends a welcome email when someone joins your list. And once you find it, click on it to continue. Now, when you select the template, Brevo will show a preview of the workflow. This visual overview helps you understand how the automation will run. You'll notice three main steps. First, a trigger that starts the automation when a contact joins your list. Second, a waiting period. And then third, the email that gets sent automatically after the delay. To move forward, click the Create Automation button at the bottom right corner. Now, you'll be inside the workflow builder. This is where you can customize your drip campaign and decide exactly how it should function. Let's start with the trigger. Click on the first box labeled Contact Added to List. Now, a panel will appear here on the left side of the screen. Under List, use the drop-down menu to choose the specific contact list you want to connect with through this drip campaign. Anyone added to this list will automatically be enrolled in the automation sequence. So once you've selected your list, click Save at the bottom of the panel. Next, move to the delay step. Now, this part really defines how much time Brevo should wait before sending the next email. Click on the Wait 2 days step. Now, in the left panel, you'll find fields to set the delay using months, days, hours, or minutes. For beginners, the default 2-day delay works really well, but you can reduce it to 1 day if you want the email to go out sooner. Once you've chosen your timing, click Save. Now, let's set up the email that will be sent. Click on the box labeled Send an Email. A panel will again open on the left, showing a small preview of the email along with two options, Edit and Preview. Click Edit to open the email designer. Now, this is where you can either select a template or start from scratch. For this tutorial, choose a layout that fits your brand style. Once you're inside the editor, you can then drag and drop text, images, or buttons to create that email. Adjust the colors, fonts, and formatting as necessary. When your design is ready, click Use this design in automation right there in the top right corner. Now, fill in the subject line on the left panel with something personal or engaging, like welcome to our community or glad to have you with us. You can even include personalization tags to automatically add each subscriber's first name. Next, fill in the preview text. Now, this is the short sentence that will appear next to the subject line in most of your subscribers' inboxes. Below that, enter your sender name and choose the sender email address that the campaign will come from. Now, make sure that it's something recognizable, like your brand or your personal name, just in order to build trust. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Now, your workflow will display all three main steps: the trigger, which is the contact added to a list, the delay, which is the wait time, and the action, which is to send the email. Take a moment to review each step to make sure the setup is correct and everything has been saved properly. To continue building a more complete drip campaign, you can repeat this process by adding more send an email actions followed by delay steps. For example, after your welcome email, you could wait 3 days before sending a follow-up email with a helpful content or special offer. To add a new step, simply click the plus icon on your workflow and select Send an Email or Delay. And then, of course, you can repeat the steps as many times as you want until your drip sequence feels complete. Once your workflow is finished, it is always a good idea to test it before making it go live. So to test the campaign, click test in the top right corner of the page. Brevo will send test emails to your own inbox so that you can verify that everything looks and functions correctly. After confirming that your automation is working the way you want, click activate automation in the top right corner of the screen, which will officially turn on your drip campaign. You'll see the status then change from inactive to active, which means the automation is now live and will begin running automatically. And from this point on, any contact who joins the list that you've selected will automatically enter the drip sequence. Brevo will wait for the set number of days, then send your emails according to the workflow schedule that you just set up. You can later expand this automation by adding more steps, for example, follow up emails, discount offers, or even product recommendation. This flexibility makes Brevo's automation system ideal for nurturing leads, onboarding new users, or maintaining consistent engagement with your audience. And that is how you create a drip campaign in Brevo. But before you go, if you'd like to unlock more advanced automation tools or dynamic segmentation and A B testing features, check the link in the description. Don't forget, you'll get 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months and access to our complete Brevo course that teaches you literally everything you need to know, going from beginner workflows to advanced funnel building. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.